Hi everyone, just wanted to give you a brief overview of assignments 16, 17, 18, 19. I know it sounds like a lot and we only have a very short week, but these assignments are not that difficult. They are definitely less work intensive, and I'm giving you some time to also work on your group project, which you should be well into and is due Friday by 11:59 p.m. So for assignment 16, I want you to create a Venn diagram where you're comparing and contrasting family literacy in Canada and England. So that says the US. It shouldn't say the US. It should say Canada. So you are going to create two circles, and they are going to be overlapping. So I think that you probably by now know what a Venn diagram looks like right here. So the first circle will be Canada, and in this part you discuss family literacy that is just unique to Canada, and then over here would be the UK or Britain, and here you will discuss in this area the family literacy issues and approaches that are just unique to the UK. In the middle, that's where you're going to put similarities between the two regions. So please make sure that your Venn diagram looks like this. This is what it's supposed to look like. If you don't have enough space to put all of the similarities, you can put an arrow and just have a list. You know, I know that logistically it can be a nightmare if you have too much. All right, for number 17, assignment 17, the purpose of this assignment is to identify and describe different practices in family literacy in South Africa. So you're going to read the case study, Mola Siwa's case study in chapter 24. Identify the problems within the case study and how are these problems in South Africa similar to the issues that we've explored in other countries thus far in this class. So you're going to create a chart with the problems that you've identified from the case study, and then you're also going to answer that question and upload your assignment to the discussion board and respond to at least one post using the letter of feedback. Then for assignment 18, you are going to read the chapter on action research, which is chapter 28, and you're going to think of important themes that you've read in the chapter on action research, and you're going to think of a headline for an action research topic that you would like to pursue further and that you think is important to highlight. So you're going to just create the headline and post it with your peers' headlines, and I give you detailed instructions on how to post using this application. Lastly, assignment 19 is your final assignment other than your family literacy issue presentation. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a final reflection on the habits of mind. So you're going to make a video. I know it says video everywhere, but that's incorrect. You're going to use YouTube. So create a video where you're discussing the habits of mind that you were working on this semester. Talk about how it went while you've been developing those habits of mind, and also think of others that you've mastered or just nurtured throughout the course, and just discuss, go into the thoughts on your own thinking. So habits of mind is a metacognitive task. So we're just thinking about our own thinking and all of the different processes that we need in order to be successful in all of the assignments. So as you've been going through the semester, you've been working on your metacognition, and you've been more reflective in thinking about the different processes that it takes for you to be successful in this course. So those are the 4 assignments. They are all due by Friday. Okay, so the last day of the semester is the 24th. That's Friday. All of the assignments are due by Friday, so I can't highlight that enough. Please make sure that they're in by Friday, and your final assignment, your final project, is due by Friday as well. And that's the last day of the semester. That's as much time as I could have given you to do all of your assignments. So please do finish strong here, and you guys have done so well this semester, and I really appreciate the efforts that you've put forth. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in the rest of my courses throughout the next years.